So when you order your Caravan, it comes really well packed here and here. This is the white one, which is, they come in white and black. This is the insert that goes inside the Caravan, so you can actually see where the fan is there, and the actual base bit here, which is there, is the bit that goes up on the roof. So that's how it all goes together, and so hopefully I'll be able to get some photos of the boys putting it up in the roof, and at the same time, when we're actually out on the road, we'll be able to give it a run for its money and let you know what we think. But anything would be better than getting dust in the Caravan. So this would be a 12-volt system, I'd say, and there's the on-off button that we'll be pushing when we actually start her up. So this has been provided by Carafan, and when we go bush, we'll see how much dust it actually stops, and hopefully it stops some, otherwise Joe will be really. So what we're doing now is actually putting the screws in. So the Caravan sits up like that. Very good. So a little fan there, how about that? I'll hold it. So what we're doing now is putting the silicone on, which is pretty important. This is where the guys get really good hand muscles, because they've got to pump out that silicone. That's a lot of silicone, but we don't want it raining on my head inside the Caravan. Smell that silicone. So now you can see that silicone pushing down there. Now for our little screws. Is that it? Yeah. Just checking. Okay, now we get that little sticky finger out. If you get stuck up here, you'll be coming for a trip with us around Australia. Don't leave your finger too long in the same place. Look at this. Not that anyone's going to see this, but I tell you guys, if you ever look on the top of a van, you'll notice that the silicone job's actually been done perfectly. Look at that. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and obviously the cover hasn't actually come down, but you've got your wiring that'll be connected up, and then there'll be like a buffer plate that goes around to make it look a little bit more pretty inside. Because it's on the side, it's actually going to be easy to clean. A lot of people are putting them in the middle of the van with the hatches at the moment, but I would prefer to have it where it is. So we're putting the filter in now. It's a decent sized filter. And then this just goes straight on the top there. And it looks like there's probably only about 8 bolts or screws to hold it down. Just guessing. And so the air obviously gets sucked under there, up over the filter, and puts the positive pressure inside the Caravan. So what we've done now is actually put the wiring in. It's been all tucked away really nicely, so you can't even see where the wire is. Good job. So it's been trimmed down really well. That's a very clean job you've done there. Now let's just get it up into the roof. Oh, perfect. We've actually got our Carafan hooked up to power now. Fingers crossed it's going to work. Oh wow, that's, you can feel the air in that. Yeah, a little light comes on here. Very impressed. We've got the Melbourne Caravan show next Wednesday the 18th through to the 22nd, which is Sunday. We'll be down at the show at site 520A, and we'll be with the Carafan guys down there. So if you're passing through, come and check us out. And yeah, it should be some good bargains down there. So here's the guys here.
Oh, that is.
All happy customers.
Oslappin, yes, I see. Yes,
there's a number plate on our car.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well done.
Yeah.
Well, fantastic.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying your show. Keep going.
Good luck.